Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel again and again and again. And ayun na nga, this is my first run for 2025. Nandito na naman tayo sa isang takbuhan na naman. Ayan, nakita nyo yung nasa likod ko. It's Summer Run organized by Angel's Pizza along with the Lourdes School of Mandaluyong. So, this is a charity fun run na naman. Usually, I do charity fun run, as you know me, guys. It's for the coffee farmers po. Ayun. I'll just say, ano na lang dito ko nung coffee farmers po yung ating, yung beneficiary po ng race na to. Ayun. So, this is the first time na sumali ako sa isang fun run na food ang organizer. So, Angel's Pizza. Ayun. So, for January, this is my run, ayun, kasi alam niyo naman na may goal ako for 2025 and that is to have a fun run in every month. Ayun, that's it. Kaya ito yung ano ko ngayon, ito yung run ko for January. So magkakaroon tayo for February and so on and so forth. Ayun. So this time we're doing a 16-kilometer run. I know it's too soon kasi kaka-holiday lang natin and I know hindi pa ako masyadong nakapag-warm up and or nakapag-condition. Pero let's see kasi sanay na tayo, sanay na yung katawan ko. Ayun. May galit sa amin yung Angel's Pizza po. So let's find out kung kaya natin mag-16 right after the holiday.
It is with great excitement and gratitude that I welcome all of you to the Angel's Pizza Summer Run 2025 by the Figaro Coffee Group. Today we come together not just for fitness, but for fellowship, fun, and shared commitment to run for a cause to support our local farmers. We are thrilled to see so many enthusiastic runners, families, and friends gathered here, united by a common goal to celebrate health, camaraderie, and the spirit of togetherness. Whether you are here to break records, enjoy the scenic route, or simply have fun, this event is about taking steps literally and figuratively toward a better version of ourselves and a better world for our community. Let's also take this moment to express our heartfelt thanks to our generous sponsors, tireless volunteers, and the local government for their support in making this event possible. Their efforts remind us that teamwork truly makes the dream work. Before we begin, let's not forget to prioritize safety. Hydration stations are available along the route and medical team is on standby should you need assistance. Most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey and cheer each other on. Once again, thank you for being here. Let's make this day not only a celebration of physical endurance but also of unity and positivity. Now, let's lace up those running shoes, stretch those muscles, and get ready to run. Have fun and good luck to everyone. Maraming salamat at magandang umaga po.
Sa bawat kagat may dalang-dalang ang bawat Pilipino tayo magsama-sama. Tara't magkita-kita, halina't magsama-sama. Tawagin ang buong barkada at mag-Angel's Pizza. Abot sa langit ang ngiti, abot sa langit ang saya. Basta't kasama ang pamilya at mag-Angel's Pizza.
A few moments later.
Now, of course, technical is also remember there are water stations on the other routes, but I feel like we want to bring it
Ayun guys, start na tayo. Tingnan natin kung ano. First time ko rin pala na dito sa race course na to, na Pasig. Ayun. So, tignan natin. Kasi pag nagtatakbo ko sa may Unilab, puro pataas ang ano dito. Pero taga Marikina tayo, so lahat din pataas din doon.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bago matapos lang.
Tapos bago mag 2 hours.
Kaso na...
Good morning, runners!
Wala pa ako sa 5 kilometer mark pero hingal na ako. Puro packet ba naman kasi ito? Tapos isang batinding pababa. Hindi ko alam kung aabot pa akong Julio Vargas nito sa lagay ko to. Bagalan ko na nga yung pacing ko. Hindi pa rin kaya. Ay, Diyos ko. Welcome back to the holidays. Okay guys, official 5K km mark na ako. Grabe. Hindi ko alam kung may galit sa amin yung Angel's Pizza. Puro pataas pa naman. Inado. Alam niyo yung unang-unang run to. Ay, Diyos ko. Ang ganda. Ang galing nung race route. Wala akong masabi. Ayan guys. Julio Vargas na tayo. First time tumakbo dito. Diyos ko. Ano kayong paakyat dito? Hoy, hoy, hoy. Ano, Angels, wala na ba itataas to? Habutin nyo hanggang bundok para mataas pa. Last 3 AM tayo. So, paakyat tayo na Julio Vargas. Huh, huh, huh. Kasi shaky. Hindi siya 16 sakto. Ay, ano ba to? All runners. Ito na ba yun? Yun nga eh. Kaya sa app ko wala pa eh. Nasa 14 mark pa lang ako. Ano ba yan? Okay. 16. Congrats po. Thank you. Ayun guys, so dapat kukuha ako ng coffee pero wala pa daw, mag-brew pa daw ng coffee, so mamaya na. So kukunin ko na yung kit ko. Then actually, anuin ko na rin, overall actually hindi siya saktong 16 km, mga nasa 14 something lang. Hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari, medyo na ano nata sila, na short sila sa distance. I'm not sure. Kasi hindi ko alam kung sino yung organizer nito. So, yun lang. Yun yung comment ko. And, of course, isang comment din. Sana kapag gaganito kayong run, dapat sarado lahat. Walang coaching dadaan. Kasi, nandiyo delikado. Ito na naman tayo. Dapat close. Close lahat. Pangit kasi, problema lang ata, hindi sila makakuha ng permit to close all roads. And, medyo hindi lang ako sa race course kasi yung Angel's Pizza, kung may galit man kayo sa amin, sana nagpa-spaghetti na lang kayo. Kasi spaghetti pataas at pababa yung ginawa nyo. Sana nagpa-free spaghetti na rin kayo, di ba? Kasi puro spaghetti pataas. Ewan ko na lang. Yung pagod ko ngayon, parang pagod ng half marathon, hindi pang 16 lang eh. Grabe po. Anyways, kukunin ko lang yung kit ko, then we take a look kung ano naman yung nung tote bag na binibigay nila.
Eventually. One eternity later.
Hi guys! So, I got my loot bag. Ayan. So, nandito na yung race shirt and ano. Tapos, papunta ngayon tayo sa baggage counter na medyo tago. Medyo hindi sila organized in a way kasi hindi naman race organizer yung nag-organize ng race na to. More like Angel Pizza itself are the organizers, the main organizers. They're not parang hindi talaga sila hindi sila ganun ka-organized when it comes to doing fun runs. I'm not sure, pero in-assume ko na lang kasi marami mga known na race organizers like Gran Rio, Green Media Events, RSRJ Events Management. Those are some of the names na known for race organizers. Ayun. Meron ito, mukhang hindi. Kasi yung pagkuha pala ng loot bags, napakagulo. Ngayon pa lang sila nagpa-packing. Hindi ko nga lang binidyohan, pero it's really, really messy. And of course, as a participant for a long time ng mga fun runs, medyo downside siya sa ganung kasi ang tagal kumuha ng loot bag, dapat pinakamabilis to makuha, as in ilang segundo lang dapat nakakuha ka na nito. Aabot mo lang yung stub mo and then you grab the thing. Ayun, so hindi na ako mag-expect kasi nga hindi naman talaga sila race organizer. Hi guys! So, let's see what's in this loot bag.
Ayan, nakasakto talaga sa niya, sa
Fan. Of course, yung race shirt. Ayan. Bilang alagay sa likod yung alagay sa likod yung distance. Ayan. Wait, medyo makapal lang siya ng onte, pero okay lang. Siyempre, mga yan, speaker, ref magnet, I don't know what this is. Konting ayan. So, aside from the pizza, hindi na ako nakakuha ng coffee. Ayun. Juices, meal, ice cream, manga. I know that. Meron ako yan. Sayang, pwede lang ako kumain. Then, farmers. Nice too. So, ayun guys, for now, for the Angel's Pizza Sama-Sama Run 2025. Well, hindi siya ganun kasi wala masyadong mga freebies. Yun lang. Yung medal lang at saka yung aking finisher shirt. Yun lang yung loot bag.
Okay. Ayun na sa wakas.
So, anyways, that's it guys for now. More runs to go for 2025. May kasunod pa ako neto, yung Pokemon Run sa February. Ayun, may kasama ako doon. Magta 10 km ako doon sa Pokemon Run. And of course, expected ko, hindi ko alam kung basta wala akong expectation kasi sa MOA yun. So madadalian naman tayo ng onti doon kasi puro patag doon. Ayun. Dito lang talaga ako nahirapan ng sobrang-sobra kasi sobrang daming uphill. Grabe yung uphill dito. Sobra. Mas grabe pa kaysa sa Marikina. Taga Marikina ako pero parang hindi ko kinaya yung mga uphill dito sa Pasig. Grabe kasi. So anyways guys, if you like this video, you could like and subscribe to my channel. So more videos for 2025 din pala. Bye!